Imagine stepping into a sea of vibrant purple where the air is filled with the soothing scent of lavender. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that these places actually exist, and you can walk through them yourself? Today, we're exploring 7 of the most enchanting lavender fields in the world, each with its own magical charm. So tell me, have you ever visited a lavender field? And which one do you think will steal your heart? Let's dive in. Provence, France. Close your eyes and imagine the most breathtaking lavender field you can think of. Chances are, you're picturing Provence, France, a dreamy destination where rolling hills transform into endless seas of purple. This region isn't just famous for its stunning landscapes, it's an experience for your senses. As the warm breeze moves through the fields, you'll be surrounded by the sweet, calming scent of lavender, instantly melting away your worries. One of the best spots to witness this beauty is Sault Plateau, where vibrant rows of lavender stretch as far as the eye can see. But if you prefer something a little less crowded, head to Sault, a charming village perched on a hill offering panoramic views of lavender fields blended with golden wheat farms. It's like stepping into a painting. And here's a little secret. If you visit in mid-July, you might just catch the Lavender Festival, where locals celebrate the harvest with music, lavender-infused treats, and handcrafted products. Trust me, you haven't lived until you've tasted lavender honey or sipped on a refreshing lavender lemonade under the Provençal sun. So tell me, would you rather get lost in the famous fields of Sault or explore the hidden beauty of Sault? Let me know in the comments. Hvar, Croatia. Now let's swap France's rolling hills for the stunning island of Hvar, Croatia, where lavender doesn't just grow, it thrives. Nicknamed the Island of Lavender, this Mediterranean paradise isn't just known for its beaches, it's home to some of the most intensely fragrant lavender fields in the world. Picture this, you're walking through the village of Velograble, where the sun-drenched hills are covered in wild lavender. The air is thick with its soothing scent, blending perfectly with the salty sea breeze. And if you time your visit right, you'll stumble upon Hvar's annual Lavender Festival, where locals share their centuries-old traditions of lavender farming. It's the perfect place to try handmade lavender oils, soaps, and even lavender-inspired cocktails. Yes, you read that right. But here's what makes Hvar so special. Unlike other lavender fields, this one comes with a view of the Adriatic Sea. Imagine standing on a hill surrounded by vivid purple fields, while gazing out at the sparkling blue waters below. It's a sight you'll never forget. So, if you had to choose, would you rather wander through Provence's endless fields or walk Hvar's lavender-covered coastline? Drop your answer below. Furano, Japan. If you think Japan is all about cherry blossoms, think again. In Hokkaido's Furano region, lavender fields steal the spotlight every summer, turning the landscape into a mesmerizing carpet of purple and gold. And the best part? It's not just about the views. Furano is a multi-sensory experience that will leave you enchanted. One of the most famous spots is Farm Tomita, a lavender wonderland that looks like something straight out of a Studio Ghibli film. As you step into the field, the crisp mountain air carries the delicate scent of lavender, instantly making you feel relaxed and refreshed. But here's where things get even more exciting. Furano offers lavender-flavored everything. Ever tried lavender ice cream? It's creamy, floral, and surprisingly refreshing on a hot summer day. Or how about lavender tea that soothes your soul with every sip? And if you love photography, Furano's rainbow fields will blow your mind. Rows of purple, red, orange, and yellow flowers stretch into the horizon, creating a surreal patchwork of colors. And with the Tokachi Mountains in the background, every snapshot looks like a postcard. So tell me, would you rather try lavender ice cream under the Japanese sky, or capture the breathtaking rainbow fields on your camera? Let's hear it in the comments. Bridestowe Lavender Estate, Australia. Now let's take a trip down under to Tasmania, Australia, where one of the world's largest lavender farms awaits, Bridestowe Lavender Estate. But here's the twist. This isn't just any lavender field, it's a 260-acre purple paradise with a touch of Aussie charm. Imagine walking through endless rows of deep purple lavender, with Mount Arthur's rugged peaks in the distance. The scent is intoxicating, the colors are unreal, and the peaceful atmosphere makes it feel like you've entered a dreamy floral wonderland. And if you time it right, you can even catch the golden sunset hitting the lavender, creating a scene so magical it looks photoshopped in real life. But here's what makes Bridestowe unique. It's home to Bobby the Lavender Bear, an adorable heatable teddy made from real lavender. He's become an Australian icon, and tourists from all over the world come here just to bring one home. And let's not forget the lavender-inspired treats, from lavender-infused honey to freshly baked lavender scones. This place is heaven for food lovers. So what would be your pick? Would you rather take home Bobby the Bear as a lavender-scented souvenir, or enjoy a picnic surrounded by 260 acres of floral beauty? Drop your answer below. Sequim, Washington, USA. What if I told you that the most enchanting lavender fields in North America aren't in California or Oregon, but in a small town in Washington state? Welcome to Sequim, the lavender capital of North America, a place where rolling purple fields meet the salty ocean breeze, creating a one-of-a-kind experience you won't find anywhere else. Unlike the massive commercial farms in Europe, Sequim's lavender fields feel personal, inviting, and rich with local charm. You're not just walking through a field, you're stepping into the heart of a thriving lavender community. The best time to visit? July, when the town comes alive for the Sequim Lavender Festival, a full-blown celebration featuring lavender-infused lemonade, handcrafted essential oils, and even lavender chocolate. One of the must-visit spots is Purple Haze Lavender Farm, where you can stroll through endless rows of blooming lavender while being serenaded by the gentle buzz of honeybees. But here's a little-known secret. Some farms offer cut-your-own lavender experiences, meaning you can hand-pick your own fragrant bundle straight from the field. How cool is that? So tell me, would you rather wander through fields with ocean views or get hands-on and harvest your own lavender bundle? Let me know in the comments. Mayfield Lavender Farm, United Kingdom. Imagine you're just an hour away from London, sipping on a cup of tea, when suddenly, you find yourself standing in a breathtaking sea of purple. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to Mayfield Lavender Farm, one of the UK's most beautiful hidden gems. Unlike the sprawling fields of France, Mayfield feels more intimate, like stepping into a magical storybook setting. As you walk through the 25 acres of organic lavender, you'll feel the world slow down, just you, the buzzing of bees, and the soft rustling of the flowers in the summer breeze. It's the kind of place that makes you want to take a deep breath and soak in every second. But what makes Mayfield truly special? The iconic red British telephone booth sitting in the middle of the lavender fields. It's one of the most Instagrammable spots in England, and if you visit at the right time, the golden sunlight hitting the lavender makes for the perfect fairy tale snapshot. And of course, what's a lavender farm without a lavender-themed cafe? From lavender scones to freshly brewed lavender tea, Mayfield turns this fragrant flower into an entire culinary experience. So what's your pick? A scenic afternoon picnic surrounded by lavender, or a whimsical photo inside a red telephone booth with a purple backdrop? Drop your answer below. So, France. If you think Provence is the only place in France with jaw-dropping lavender fields, let me introduce you to Sault, the hidden gem where lavender meets pure tranquility. Unlike the famous Valençol Plateau, which draws huge crowds, Sault offers a more peaceful, off-the-beaten-path experience where you can truly immerse yourself in nature. Perched on a hill overlooking endless rolling fields of lavender, Sault feels like a lavender lover's paradise. The best part? Here, the lavender blooms later than in Valençol, so if you've missed peak season in July, don't worry. Sault's lavender fields are still in full bloom through mid-August. It's the perfect escape for those who prefer a slower, more intimate experience. One of the best ways to explore is by following the Lavender Trail, a scenic walking route where you'll pass by small family-run farms, historic stone cottages, and breathtaking panoramic views. And if you visit in August, you'll catch the Sault Lavender Festival, where you can watch traditional lavender distillation, try lavender-flavored nougat, and even witness a lavender cutting competition. Yes, that's a real thing. So, what would you rather do? Wander through the peaceful lavender fields of Sault, or take part in an authentic lavender festival experience? Let me know in the comments. And there you have it. 7 breathtaking lavender fields that deserve a spot on your travel bucket list. Which one would you love to walk through first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through nature's purple paradise, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more stunning travel destinations. This is Explore Edge, bringing you the world's most enchanting places, one adventure at a time. See you in the next one.